I'm Donnell, I'm 18 years old, and I go to Walton Academy. I grew up in Chicago, Illinois, very busy, very, very violent. Came down here to get away from the violence. I first heard Food for Thought. My teacher, Mr. Troutman, he pretty much showed me what it was, told me like what we do. You know, we cook and this and that. I know you want to be a chef, Donnell. I'm like, oh, really? So he got me into there. Food for Thought, I've been working here in Full Circle Kitchen for about 3-4 years. It's been a big thing for me.
The most important thing when you're cooking pasta is you're going for that al dente, a little bit of tooth to it, but soft and cooked all the way through.
If I could describe Food for Thought, you're gonna learn. That's the one thing. Knowledge is infinite. You will learn here. But when I first came here, I didn't even know this organization was owned by Emeril. I'm like, wow, dang, I wanna meet him, right? Years later, I was going to Emeril's Coastal Italian, doing these interviews and whatnot. Emeril was there, and I guess my passion really spoke, right? And then I got that job. Emeril's Coastal Italian is like a second school. Now I'm working with one of the best chefs on the planet. Not a lot of people can say that, I'm doing real great, so I'm really want to push myself out there so these other people on the streets can get their stuff together so they can make money and get a dream, And that's what I want to do. I want to help people out, and everybody here is helping me do that.